Hello, teacher and friend. Today I'm talking about a core homework. After review your answer, I think about presentation is very good. First, your content is complete and easy to understand. You explain the lesson about electricity clearly. Second, your pronunciation is clear, but some work need more practice, such as electricity, battery, diagram, and outlet. Third, your grammar is a good, is a many part, but there are some small mistakes with perform in sentence chart. Finally, your vocabulary is good. Your you many important work from the lesson and give example. In my your presentation is very good. If you involve your pronunciation and grammar a little more, it will be in silent. Thank you for listening and goodbye.